Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. Before you start your trip, we'd like to take you through the controls of your cruiser so you know what to expect when you arrive. Most of our cruisers will have a series of switches on the dashboard. These will include the water pump. This keeps the domestic water running throughout the cruiser, so we recommend you leave this switched on during the day, but turn it off at night as the pump can be noisy. The bilge pump. This ensures that any water that collects in the bottom of the boat is pumped out, so we recommend that you keep this switched on at all times. You'll also find the horn, which is very similar to the engine stop button, so please ensure you don't confuse the two. Cruisers don't have a brake. On your trial run, you'll learn how to use the reverse thrust to stop the boat when you need to. The instrument panel is fitted with warning lights, but you should check over your instruments from time to time. Your dashboard will be fitted with a panel telling you when a reading might be cause for concern. We ask that you check this panel over before you leave the marina for your holiday, and if you have any questions, ask a team member. The rev counter on the instruments panel can be used to give an indication of your speed. The dashboard will be fitted with a panel telling you how to judge your speed using the rev counter. The speed limit around most of the Broads is 4 miles per hour. It is important to never exceed the speed limits of the Broads. By sticking to the speed limits, you will reduce the wash caused by your cruiser to the riverbanks and smaller passing cruisers. If the charge warning light comes on at any time during your trip, it means that the engine is no longer charging the batteries. You should refer to your captain's manual for guidance on what to do if this happens. If any of the other warning lights come on during your stay, or if you have any other questions, you should contact Richardson's for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.